Thank you for choosing Healthcare Logistics as part of your storage solution. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble an easy wall cabinet with locking doors. Before assembling your easy wall cabinet, it's recommended that you familiarize yourself with all parts and check to make sure you have the following: back panel, top panel, bottom panel, left panel, right panel, left door, right door, shelf, hinges, handles, screws, shelf pins, and keys. Be sure to select the appropriate mounting hardware to ensure safe and reliable use. Mount the hardware through a stud, blocking, or rigid structure where possible during installation. Fitting toggles on the back, top, and bottom panels are shipped in a secure position. Flip the toggles to the up position to unlock before you start assembly. Start by laying the back panel flat on the floor and bring the top panel into position. Attach the top panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the connection fittings in the back panel. Once together, press the fitting toggles down to secure. Take the bottom panel in position at the bottom of the back panel. Attach the bottom panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the connection fittings in the back panel. Push the two panels together, then press the fitting toggles down to secure. Attach the left panel by laying it next to the back panel, aligning the pre-drilled holes. Tilt the back, top, and bottom assembly so that the pins from the back panel will fit into the pre-drilled holes in the left panel. Press the fitting toggles down to secure. Attach the right panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the connection fittings in the back, top, and bottom panels. Push the panels together. Then press the fitting toggles down to secure. Decide the positioning of your shelf. The shelf is adjustable in 1 1/4 inch or 32 millimeter increments. Insert the clear plastic shelf pins into shelf holes at your desired height. Make sure the back and front pins are placed at the same height. Position the shelf onto the shelf pins. Your shelf is in place and you're ready to attach the doors. Before we begin, note the latches are shipped with a screw cover plate in a secure position. Before installing latches, the screw cover plate will need released by flipping the plate up with your fingernail or small screwdriver. The plate is hinged and will lift up. Begin by laying the doors flat on a table or floor with the hinge hole cutouts, which are inside of the doors, facing up. With the screw cover plate lifted, insert the pre-assembled hinge screws into the pre-drilled holes. There are 2 latches per door. Once the hinges are in place and flush against the doors, press down on the screw cover plates to secure the hinges to the doors. Position the left door on the side of the cabinet. The hinges should align with pre-installed hinge plates mounted inside the unit. Attach the hinges to the hinge plates by guiding the hooked area of the hinges around the small post on the hinge plates and pressing them to the plates until they latch. This step can be tricky and may take a few attempts to get the hinges to latch. The middle adjustment screw provides height adjustment. The height adjustment lets you align the door levels across a row of doors so they match precisely at top and bottom. The side adjustment regulates the gaps between the doors, cabinets, and walls for perfect parallel alignment. To mount the door handles, insert the screws through the pre-drilled holes. Take a handle and align it with the screws, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten. When finished, do the same with the other handle. Make sure the door is closed so that the latch hook attaches to the latch plate. To open, squeeze the latch lever to lower the hook under the latch plate. With the locking doors now attached, the cabinet can now be used to secure contents. We hope you find these instructions helpful. If so, please click on the like button. Also, click on subscribe and alerts to notify you when a new video is posted.